Well, it's been raining the last few weeks here in Livermore, but this weekend was absolutely gorgeous. So I thought this would be a great time to try out my new drone. Now, I've never owned a drone before, so this is my first drone, and it's a DJI Spark. It's nice and small. But the reason I got this one is because it has some intelligent flight modes, and in particular, the ones that allow to following people or tracking. So that's what I tried today. So I out here from my front yard, I tried the tracking mode where it would follow me like this, and another one where it would sort of hover and follow me back and forth. And like I said, the reason I got this is for shooting the camping videos later this year, and I wanted to have a way of getting different angles where you can see both the bike and the terrain. So anyway, hope you enjoy it. Take a look at the test footage.
Thank you.